Hello, my name is Gökalp, and this is me. I'm a Latvian language learner, not a teacher. However, I found out that the hardest part of learning Latvian is not being able to find material. So I wanted to create a channel where we can learn all together. Our lectures will be separated into three parts. In the first part, we will learn grammar between ourselves. I'm not a grammar fan, so it's dual. And next part is where we will learn vocabulary through a story. The more absurd it is, the easier it can be remembered. This part might be my favorite. So let's draw some smilings. We are gonna stretch the imagination. Last but not the least, we will have translation from Latvian to English and English to Latvian. So let's get started.